Hello and a warm welcome to Mom I Love, and I am Shubhoshri. You can also find us at our official website, that is www.momilove.com. For every relationship, you have to spend your time and energy to make it work worthy. So this is applicable for parent-child relationship as well. You might think that being by the side of your child 24/7 might bring you the best results, but it doesn't work like this. So just like other relationship, we have to put in efforts to make it work. So if you are looking for suggestion that how to improve parent-child relationship, then this video is just for you. So before I discuss 5 points with you on how to improve parent-child relationship, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, because Mom I Love is all about parenting, parent-child relationship, early childhood education, and a lot more that revolves around parenting. If you haven't watched my last video on how to become a good parent, I would link it here, or you can read it in the description box below after you watch this video. So the first point is spend time with your child. So every relationship needs time. And here, spending time with your child doesn't mean distracted presence in your child's life. Whenever you are spending a quality time, for example, you are playing with your child, you are spending time in talking to your child, in interacting with them or drawing with them, whatever you do, you indulge in a kind of activity. All these things help to build a good relationship with your child. But when you spend time watching TV by the side of your child, or you are just scrolling down your mobile phone, or you are at your work, whereas your child is present by your side, but that doesn't count as a good time spending together. That doesn't help in creating a good bond with your child. Instead, you can involve your child into household activities, and that will bring in a positive result for you. Number 2 is give your child importance. Yes, there are instances where kids think that they are not cared by their parents. So that is a very mundane feeling, and you don't want your child to feel like that as parents, right? So what you have to do, that every day make it a habit that you will tell your child that I love you from the core of my heart. Use the morning time to cuddle your child and to wake them from the bed. And then, whenever you get time, you just express yourself that how much you love them. As parents, you may feel, is that important that every day I tell my child that I love you, when I really do? But it is really important. Put yourself into your child's shoe and think that how important is to express your feeling. The third, and I think it is very crucial, it is indulging into a conversation with your child. Many parents think that kids are too young, how to converse with them. We will just talk about funny things and that's all. But no, sometimes converse with your child about very serious topic in their life, which could be how their day at school was, if they are feeling low, what is the thing, means even if you scold your child, ask them, did you feel bad? I'm really sorry for that. What is the thing you are really feeling bad about? Is that I scold you, or you did it in this way which is making you feel low? So whenever you converse with your child, they feel connected to the parent, and that help you build a strong relationship for the future as well. So the fourth point is also about talking to your child. Here, you have to talk about similar consequences in your childhood, which you have passed through, which are just similar to their childhood. Or you can talk about the differences. We didn't have mobile phone when we were young. There was no influence of television or internet connection when we were young. So how we used to pass our days. So in this way, when you talk about your past to your child, that gives a notion to them that, okay, I can connect with them. I would like to know more about my parent. So a time will come when your child will know the most about you, and they will really, really feel proud of that. They will bank upon that relationship. The fifth and the last point is that make your child feel safe. This is your duty as a parent, to make your child feel safe all the time. I mostly say this on most of my parenting videos, that always make your child feel safe and tell them that you are present for them. So your presence make them feel safe. When your child was a toddler, you must have seen that how they were too clingy to you. They never want to leave you alone. But now when they are growing up, they have that space, but still you have to make them understand that they can always come back to you for any suggestion, problem, or anything that happens in their life. So with this, we come to the end of this video. If you have any questions, suggestion, or any concern regarding parenting, please let me know through the comment section below. If you are interested to learn more about parenting and enrich your parenting journey, then please take a look at the description box below, as I will be linking other videos there as well. See you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.